Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Valorant game error, and the error is the game has lost connection, please relaunch the client to restore connectivity. Error code VAL5. So if you're getting this error code VAL5 in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then launch the Riot client and then launch Valorant game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then fix to is to uninstall Riot Vanguard, update Valorant and then restart your PC. Now first of all, make sure Valorant game is closed and also close the Riot client. Click on this arrow icon, right click on Riot Vanguard and then click on exit Vanguard. Click yes to confirm. Now uninstall Riot Vanguard. So in Windows search type control panel and open it, then click on uninstall a program. Now here look for the Riot Vanguard, here it is, right click on it and then select uninstall, click yes to allow and then again click yes to confirm it. This will uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Now launch the Riot client. So in Windows search type Riot client and open it. Now once the Riot client get open, go to Valorant and you will see the update button. So click on update. This will click yes to allow. This will reinstall the Vanguard. So just wait. It will take some time, so please wait. Now once the Riot client is reinstalled, you have to just restart the PC to play the game. So just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Valorant game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 3 is to run Valorant as an admin. So in Windows search type Valorant and then click on open file location. Then right click on Valorant and select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply. OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then repair the game files. So open Riot client, click on your profile and then click on settings, select Valorant from the left side and then click on repair. And after the repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Valorant error code VAL5 or the game has lost connection error in Valorant game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.